And Mariposa County is taking on a storm and potential flooding.
The storm came in earlier tonight for them, and drivers faced some high winds and rain. And because of those conditions, Caltrans took some precautionary measures for public safety reasons. CBS 47's Justin Lum continues our team coverage from the mountains.
Tonight, Highway 140 is closed from Bear Creek near Midpines to Foresta Road in El Portal. A 17-mile stretch of road now shut down as the storm continues. As the road closure sign and barriers went up on Highway 140, drivers left the area but could not come back in. While rain poured on Mariposa County, CHP says the shutdown of a stretch between Bear Creek and Foresta Road in El Portal is to prevent injury from rock slides and mudslides.
The rock slides are usually triggered from the mudslide, and so there's not one more dangerous than the other. It's just they kind of go hand in hand.
In downtown Mariposa, businesses are feeling the impact of the storm.
And with it being raining, business is slow. Nobody wants to walk in the rain and stuff.
As the partial government shutdown continues and the Yosemite Park staff still on furlough, there's more than enough lodging available in Mariposa. At the Motherlode, 15 of 17 rooms are vacant.
I mean, there's not much to do. We just kind of bank on the seasons, our high point seasons, summer season, holidays being busy.
So a difficult dynamic of heavy rain and politics hitting Mariposa County's pockets. And authorities say the Ferguson fire's burn scar on the mountainside of 140 doesn't help.
Whereas when the Detweiler fire came through, it actually wasn't that close to 140 at this particular spot. So this area is already known for having rock slides and mudslides, and so with the burn scar, it's going to make that more damaging.
And Caltrans crews will clear debris and check the roads before reopening it to traffic. Reporting in Mariposa County, Justin Lum, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.